Hello guys, a lot of people want to know how they can withdraw their own money they have earned from Cryptomania. So this video will cover everything you everything you need to know about this app. Okay, like, by the way, I'm going to open the app right now inside my Android emulator. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how it's going to look like on your phone, iPhone or Android, and I'm going to show you guys exactly everything you need to know about this. Now, for example, how to trade in Cryptomania. Pick a cryptocurrency you want to trade and decide whether you want to buy or sell. So use the pro. So the purpose of this Cryptomania is for beginners who want to start trading, but they don't want risks. Okay, they don't want to lose their own money. Okay, so it says here, master trading while having a blast. Learn how to trade without any risks to your wallet. Earn virtual money, compete with other investors. This is really correct, because you are competing with other investors, even though it's not real money, but you are competing with them to see who is going to earn more money. Okay, so this app will just help you to improve your skills. Okay, so that's exactly the purpose of this app, is to help you increase your skills, so that when you go to a real trading platform, you will be able to be more experienced, you know how to trade. So yeah, that's exactly the purpose of this. So if you go, for example, to what is the benefits of premium account. Premium account allows you no ads, no crypto. Okay, increased limit of open, no commission for traders, increased number of leverage. But even if you go to premium account, the account is still virtual. You are not using your own money, you are just using the platform's money. In this case, I have like $10,000 I can use to trade, but this $10,000 is not mine, it's actually virtual money. So what a lot of people do is they say, okay, I made some money, so I need to withdraw it. But this platform doesn't really allow you to withdraw. They only allow you to open trades, close trades inside the platform, because at the end of the day, it's not your money that you are using. So even if you made a profit, that's just a virtual profit. Okay, it's not real. Okay, so all my friends say, okay, how can I withdraw money? It's not really possible to withdraw money from this platform. Okay, I don't want to make a very long video explaining how this works, because it's very simple. It's just a virtual platform that allows you to learn how to trade. So when you go to real platforms, you will be able to be experienced. You will be able to know how to trade, how to close trade, how to minimize the risk, how to close, how to make this automatically. Like when you stop loss, you can just add stop loss, so that when you go below something, it's going to close the trade. So that's exactly the purpose of this, is to learn how to start trading. Okay, it's not really real money. Okay, hopefully this one helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. Please drop a like, that would be highly appreciated. If this one helped you, drop a like, and see you guys in the next tutorial.